I have 3 holes to fix in this Bissell tube. It's a tiny one here, kind of a big one here, a medium-sized one there. So hot glue gun to the rescue. See, we already have the first little dribble right there. So I've used this before if you've never seen this, and the results are very long-lasting. I have some machines I've done this to a number of years ago, and it's just fine. Hot glue and plastic works out well. And I think that's it. It's not pretty, but I will turn this tube to where you can't see it. Just make the repairs so they're on the inside. Yeah, that'll be good enough. So literally when you put this back in the vacuum, have it to where this is actually tilted up this way, and this isn't, this is toward the inside of the vacuum rather than showing to the outside of the vacuum. And you will be just fine. Dries fast. Look at that. It's already dry. Okay, there's one problem solved. Need to solve a few more. Let's see if we can straighten this one out. This one's perfectly straight. That one's kind of going off to the side, isn't it? Pretty easy fix. The hard part's actually getting the camera to focus. All right, we'll straighten that best we can. Takes a little bit of pressure here. Okay. I think that'll do. Right, off camera, I gave it just one more tweak. Almost perfect now. This is gonna get really, really super duper loud, mega loud. Yeah, I'll turn it down in the video because it would blow your speakers and or headphones. Much nicer. Okay, so let's get some 400 grit sandpaper, and that's gonna blow away. You know it's gonna blow away. Let's get rid of some of this rust. Okay, look at that. That is tremendously better. Wind up and wind down sounds great. Let's see if I can remember how to put this Bissell back together. Been a little while. Now, I probably don't need to put in a brand new belt, but I have a brand new belt. Get them for about $1 a piece. So the brand new belt is inside and the old one is outside, and you can see the difference. after all this effort, we definitely have to run it. So let me see. What can I put on this carpet? What can we have fun with? How about a little bit of dog food? Spread that out in a minute. How about some rice? You know, stuff that'll make noise. A little bit of rice. Spread that out a little bit. And some oats. I got some oats. Definitely put down some oats. Spread this dog food out just a little bit more. This is stuff that's definitely going to make a racket. Okay, here we go. First run of Bissell number 7. Well, you know what? I hope there isn't an 8. I don't know what I'm going to do with another one. They're piling up. Just one. Well, everything was clean. Now I have this dirty bin with stuff. kind of crunched a little bit of the dog food. Let's see, how about we do a hose pickup? Now, this unfortunately, you know, was missing all the attachments, but I have them on other Bissells. So let me get one. Oh, hey, stop that. I'll have to pick that up in a minute. Here we go. I have this from, I don't know, Bissell number 1, something like that. All right, let's see what this does. Too big. Okay, thanks so much for watching this Bissell. Was it a 2191U number 7? Oh brother, too many Bissells.